I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Let's talk about letting AI take the first pass at picking your best shots. AI photo culling lets software make the first pass through a big shoot, scoring each frame for sharpness, exposure, and open eyes, so the strongest images rise to the top. On a large set, that turns hours of squinting at near-identical frames into minutes of review. How does it decide? It measures the things that make a frame technically sound. A soft or motion-blurred shot drops down the ranking. A crisp, well-exposed one rises. For portraits, it checks for closed eyes. And across a burst, it detects near duplicates, so instead of 10 almost identical frames, you see the best one or two. But this is the honest limit. AI photo culling optimizes for technical quality, and technical quality is only part of what makes a photograph good. It does not know that the slightly soft frame is the one where the moment actually happened. So keep AI on the first pass, and yourself on the final call. Let it strip the clear rejects and collapse the duplicates. Then review the shortlist yourself, because that is where intent and emotion live. And never let it delete anything until you have looked. Automate the sorting, own the selection, dig into the rest at aiprophotography.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more real-world AI photography.